Welcome to the Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. As a part of Learning Management System, we are going to take the class for Polytechnic students of second semester Computer Science and Engineering Department branch with the subject Multimedia and Animation with the subject code 20CS21P. So in this session, this is the second session of the Unit 2 of Introduction to Multimedia and Animation. So before going to the session 2, we will recap the contents of the earlier session, which is session 1. So that is Introduction to Multimedia. So multimedia is a combination of audio, video, graphics, and also image. So multimedia is used in the various fields like entertainment, uh, education, and also in the field of bank, and also in the field of movies, and also other entertainment areas. Multimedia consists of various blocks like text, audio, image, animation, and also video. So these are the basic building blocks of multimedia. In this session, we are going to see how the multimedia can be used for graphics and images and also for hardware. So images in the multimedia. So what is image? The images are the media type displayed as visual information. They can be drawing, painting, or photographs. The images are used to create the interest and also provide the information. The photographs and other types of graphical data are designed specially for display of the image. An image on the screen is made up of dots per pixel. So the image quality depends upon the number of dots per inch. Okay. The image size. Image size is the term given to describe the height and the width of the image in the pixels. The maximum of the image size is determined by the megapixels of the given camera. For example, a 10 megapixel camera will give the maximum image size of 2592 by 3872 pixel. Image resolution. So resolution determines the quality of the image. The image resolution is typically described in pixel per inch, which refers to how many pixels are displayed per inch of an image. Higher the resolution means there are more pixels per inch. So the quality of the images increases when there are number of pixels increases per inch. It results in more pixel information and creating a high quality image. The importance of image resolutions. The higher resolutions means higher detail and can be measured in dot per inch. When it comes to printing, resolution is very important. As a high quality image, it looks a beautiful and also professional. When there is a low resolution image, the image will be fuzzy and also indistinct image. So higher resolution image will give good quality, whereas low resolution image will give a bad quality image. Image compression. Image compression is a process of encoding or converting an image file in such a way that it consumes less space than the original file. So it reduces the size of the file and also it will take less space in the computer system. It reduces the size of the image file without affecting or degrading the image quality to a greater extent. The reduction in the file size allows more images to be stored in the given amount of the disk or memory space. So it will take less space in the system. Advantages of image compression. The size reduction. It takes up less space on the hard drive and retains the same physical size unless edit the image's physical size in an image editor. The objective behind the image compression. The objective of the image compression is to reduce the irrelevance and also redundancy of the image data to be able to store or transmit the data in the efficient form. It is concerned with minimizing the number of bits required to represent the image. So it will take the less space and also the size of the image will be less in the system. Image compression types. There are two types of image compression. One is loss, another one is lossless. Lossy compression is a method of data compression in which the size of the file is reduced by eliminating the data in the file. In doing so, the image quality is sacrificed to decrease the file size. So in the case of lossy compression, the quality of the image is lessened when we compress the image. Where it is used. The lossy compression is the most commonly used to compare the multimedia data, especially in the applications such as streaming media and internet telephony. So these are the areas where lossy compression is used, where we are going to use for streaming the media data and also internet telephony applications. By contrast, lossless compression is typically required for text and data files such as bank records and text articles. Examples of lossy compression. The lossy compression is used in the case of JPEG and also MPEG and also GIF. JPEG stands for Joint Photographic Experts Group, and MPEG stands for Moving Picture Experts Group, and GIF stands for Graphic Interchange Format. In the case of lossless image compressions, it refers to the compression in which the image is reduced without any quality loss. So in the case of lossless image compression, there is no reduction of quality. The quality will be accurate. It is used in the examples like raw bits, the bitmap, then the graphic interchange format, and also portable network graphics are also lossless image formats. The file format. A file format is a standard way that the information is encoded for storage in a computer file. A file format specifies how bits are used to encode the information in a digital storage medium. The file formats may be either proprietary or a free, or it may be unpublished or open format. The examples of file formats are: it may be image file format, it may be audio file format, it may be video file format, or it may be text format. The different types of file formatting are the image, the audio file format, the video file format, and also text format. First one is text format. Examples of text formats are RTF. RTF stands for Rich Text Format in the primary file format introduced in 1987 by Microsoft. The plain text files can be opened, read, and edited with most text editors. The commonly used are Notepad in the Windows, Nano in Unix and Linux, and TextEdit in the case of Mac OS. The other computers are also capable of reading and importing the plain text. The plain text is the original and popular way of conveying an email. So these are the different types of file formats. Text file formats, example documents, RTF, text, HTML file, or PDF file, or zip file. Image file formats. The image file formats bring the different ways to overcome the problem of delivering an image with reduced file size and also minimum download time. The image file formats are standardized means of organizing and storing digital images. An image file format may store the data in uncompressed or compressed way. The types of images: the GIF image, the JPEG image, and PNG. The GIF. The GIF stands for Graphic Interchange Format. It uses lossless compression technique. It supports 8-bit colors. It is supported by all browsers. It is suitable for text, artwork, icons, and also cartoons. The size is larger here, and the extension is .gif. JPEG stands for Joint Photographic Experts Group. It uses lossy compression techniques. It supports 24-bit colors. The JPEG is supported by all the browsers, okay, suitable for photographs, a smaller file size compared to the GIF. The extension is .jpg or .jpeg. The PNG. The PNG stands for Portable Network Graphics. It uses lossless compression technique. It supports 24-bit colors but not supported by all the browsers. It is suitable for text, icons, etc. It is smaller in size compared to GIF and JPEG files. Its extension is .png. The TIFF, the tagged image file format. This is the common desktop publication word, and also it is supported by almost all software packages. BMP. It is a quite bitmap image. It is a quite large and uncompressed, hence BMP is used for high resolution. Audio file formats. An audio file format is a file format for storing digital audio data on the computer system. The data can be stored uncompressed or compressed to reduce the file size. It can be raw bit stream, but it is usually a container format or an audio data format with a defined storage layer. Examples of audio file formats are WAV. It stands for Waveform Audio File Format. It is the most popular audio file format in which the windows for storing the uncompressed and sound files. In order to attain the reduced file size, it can be also converted into other file formats like MP3. MP3 stands for MPEG Layer 3 formats. It is the most popular format for storing and downloading the music. The types of audio file format: MPEG, WAV format, MIDI, and also WME. So audio file format. So these are the different audio file formats like WAV, MP3, and also MIDI format. The video file format. The video file format consists of two ways. One is the analog video file, another one is digital. Examples of these formats are MPEG, MOV, AVI, WMV, and also real video. The different types of videos are MPG, MOV, AVI, WMV, real video, and also SWF, shocking wave format. Next, MPEG. The MPEG stands for Motion Pictures Experts Group. The MPEG files are also commonly used for digital videos and movies. It uses the file name extension of .mpg or .mpeg. MOV. MOV stands for movie. The stands for QuickTime Movie. The QuickTime video movie file formats were originally developed for Apple Macintosh. The QuickTime movies are used for .mov file name extension. AVI stands for Audio or Video Interleave. The AVI video and movie file formats can be originally developed by Microsoft for Windows-based personal computers. It has extension .avi file extension. What is an interface? The interface acts as a link between the computer and the different components. The interface specifies the plugs, the sockets, the cables, and electrical signals that pass through each line between the CPU and the peripheral device or communication networks. The hardware interfaces are the plugs, the sockets, cables, and the electrical signals traveling through them. Examples are the USB, the Ethernet, ATA, IDE cables, SCSI cables, and PCI cable. That is nothing but peripheral component interconnect. The advantages of multimedia interface are it is more alternative methods, the flexibility of combining the different schemes, and also provides the efficient for specific tasks. It has a greater precision of information. It helps the handicapped people to use the computers in a simple way. So the different multimedia hardware devices components are the input devices, the output devices, and also the storage devices. What does it mean by input devices? Input devices are the devices via which the data can be transferred into the computers. The examples for the input devices are the keyboard, the mouse, the trackball, the touch screen, the scanners, the OCRs, is nothing but optical character recognition, the digital cameras. So input devices transfers the data from the component to the system. What do you mean by output devices? Output devices are the components via which the, the output of the processing unit can be displayed. Examples for output devices are the monitors, the speakers, the printers, and also the projectors. Storage. Storage or devices are used to store the data because the multimedia data may be huge. Okay, for not to store huge amount of data, we need a storage devices. The different storage devices that can be used to store the multimedia data are the CD-ROM, nothing but compact disk read-only memory, the little versatile disk, the high-density disk, the Blu-ray disk, the hard disk, and also the USB, nothing but universal serial bus. So multimedia hardware consists of a communication devices like modem and also ISDN. The modem stands for modulator and demodulator. The modem converts the AC signals to DC signals via which the data can be transferred in the system in a digital format. And then again, the DC signals can be transferred into AC, that is called as demodulator. So modem performs both the actions like modulator and also demodulator. ISDN stands for Integrated Service Digital Network, via which we get the internet connection from the different service providers. So we have a multiple choice questions. First one, multimedia incorporates the features like the text, the video, the sound, all of this. So multimedia is a combination of audio, video, and text. So the answer is all of this. Next question is the image resolution is typically described in. So image resolution is nothing but the quality. So the different options are A pixels per inch, B length, C width, and D size. The answer is pixels per inch. As the number of pixels increases, the image resolution also increases, the quality also increases. The dash format support for full color and produces relatively small file size. So options are A bitmap image, B JPEG file, C AVI file, D GIF file. The answer is B JPEG. The JPEG stands for it is expanded as A option, Joint Photographic Exports Group, Joint Physical Experts Group, Joint Physical Exports Group, Joint Photographic Experts Group. The option is D, that is Joint Photographic Experts Group. Next question is GIF stands for A, the graphic interconnection file, B, graphical interface format, C, graphic information format, D, graphic interchange format. So the option is D, that is graphic interchange format. Sixth question, the dash is a technique by which the recurring set of information is identified. So A option A, morphing, B, zip, C, conversion, and D, compression. So answer is D, The compression is the technique by which the recurring set of the information is identified. 7. The dash images files are UZ format. So the GIF image files are UZ format. Next, option 8. The vector dash cards to improve the efficiency in the display of the image. Option A is image, B is graphics, C is display, D is screen. The option is B, graphics. Modem. Next 9. Modem is used for dash. A option supply DC power, B DC to DC conversion, C AC to DC conversion, D modulation and demodulation. So modem is used for modulation and demodulation because it converts the AC into DC and also DC into AC. 10th question. Which of the following is a GUI device? GUI stands for graphical user device. Option A, keyboard. Option B, OMR. Option C, mouse. Option D, all of these. The answer is mouse because mouse acts as a GUI device. So from this session, we have learned that what are the different types of multimedia and different file formats, and then which are the different file formats, the image, the audio, video, and also graphics. Next, multimedia hardware is the interfaces, the input output devices, the storage system, and communication device. These are the areas we have seen in this session. Thank you, students.